Hi everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama. It's finally here. The days of the sunshine are finally here, everybody. I just had to get outside and experience some of the sunshine and give my eyes a break from the computer. So I'm gonna jump into this one. I don't know what it is yet. I'll post everything under the description, but it looks like we've got, I'm gonna give it an estimate here, about a 28 by 64 multi-section, or AKA double wide. We've got Wedgwood blue on the vinyl, white shutters. Here's another interesting thing. We've got a dormer up here. I would say that's a 16-foot dormer that has been placed. And what's the benefit of a dormer? Well, it looks nice for one. And for the other, if you're gonna do a covered porch on the outside, your contractor will have the shape to build straight out from the porch or from the dormer to create the porch. So let's go in. I'm gonna jump in this side first, which is the kitchen side, or what we would call the wet half, because this is where you're gonna find most of the plumbing. Coming into the side entrance, we've got our washer dryer area here. This customer has opted to have a gas dryer. We've also opted for some washer dryer cabinets up there. Nice big utility room. There's really a lot of space in here. Check it out. Water heater. You could get a door here, but standard it comes with a panel. Furnace. And we got a nice little space right here where they've added an electrical receptacle. Perfect place for a freezer. Perimeter heat, that means we've got the registers on the inside perimeter of the wall. Oh, mama, look at this. Okay. Wow. I like it. Cabinets all the way to the ceiling, 42-inch cabinets. We've got the stem lights hanging over here. We do a seated stem light, which is a round glass. We also do a pendant light. Here we've got drama marble on the countertop, timber wolf on the cabinets. This is a new backsplash, and that just goes seamlessly with that. I love that. Black candles, gas stove, microwave over the range. Oh, I'm a little crooked there. So this is our black appliance package. 18.2 cubic foot refrigerator. The old school style, freezer on the top, fridge on the bottom. And I'm loving this little pantry thing. Huh. But the main kicker in here, guys, let me step back so you can see. Look at those cabinets to the ceiling. It changes everything. Now I know I run into a lot of customers who are my height, which we're itty bitty. I'm about 5'2", so sometimes they don't want it, but I think it makes a huge difference. Adjustable cabinets on the inside. Double shelves on the bottom. And you see this is a drywall home. We've got the 012 island here. 30 by 36 window. I never realized how much I love looking out the window while I'm doing dishes. Ooh, wow. This must be bath too. Got some trimmed out mirrors. That makes a difference. And the transom window over the bathtub. Extended vanity with the bank of drawers. And what is this? This is a family room. So an extra family room over here. And look at all the lights. Normally there would be just a couple windows. One over here, one over there. It looks like they've added an extra window and enlarged this one. We've got the nice profile trim at the top. And look how well that's come together. An upgraded carpet. This is called Dune. I always recommend this color to everybody. It's a 15-ounce carpet. So as far as an upgrade goes, it's the next level upgrade without breaking the bank. So, oh, these are just pretty colors. Let me give you one more look here. Then we'll go check out the other side. All right, hang tight. Okay, fun fact. Got a bee chasing me. That's not the fun fact. Here's another fun fact. How much does a home weigh? I get that question a lot. It's 5,000 per axle per side. So here we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 5. about $20,000 per side. So you take the total of this home, we're looking at a 40,000 pound house. All right, here comes the living room side. Ooh, nice big living room with the double windows. And remember, we're gonna put everything to install your home right in the living room. So walking into the living room, got a bit of a coat closet here. Grab a hold of that again. Swinging to the left, nice big primary bedroom with the 46 by 61 window. You can always add more. Remember, in the HUD building code, we have to adhere to a light and vent schedule, so we can add more windows, we can make them larger, but we can never take them away completely. If you do remove a window, you got to put one somewhere else to satisfy the requirements. So I will find out the details of this home. I just kind of popped in it because I miss you guys. It's the mobile home mama, and summer is almost here. Great to see ya. All the information is in the description below. Bye-bye.